The CHERYLON portable car vacuum is being introduced, and here is a short tutorial on how to install it. The suction on the CHERYLON portable car vacuum is solid. A powerful 150W motor, as well as a compact structure and good sealing, are all included. Prevent dust and other garbage from being inhaled and causing secondary cleaning. And long-distance and multi-angle extension, a 16.4-foot power cord is included. It can vacuum not only small items and waste, but also trapped liquids. Finally, a dustbin allows you to reuse and clean the car vacuum for secondary purposes and improved cleaning.